Hari Om. In 1990, Pujya Gurudev had visited Nepal, and during this time, Srimati Madhu Sen Gupta was in close contact with Pujya Gurudev. He hugged her, and she continues to consider this a treasured blessing to encourage her to continue with seva. And she loves engaging in the seva that she is. Since 1994, she has been the General Secretary of the Sri Chinmaya Adhyatmika Seva Sangha. She did not share more with me about herself or about her work because the word I kept on coming up. So I invite Srimati Madhu Sen Gupta to share what is happening in Nepal.
Om and pranams to Pujya Guruji, all the Swamis, Acharyas and the Chinmaya family members. Param Pujya Gurudev visited Nepal for the first time in June 1990 and sowed the seeds of Vedanta in us. We were very fortunate to have Pujya Gurudev revisit us in September 1992. Sri Chinmaya Adhyatmik Seva Sangh Nepal was formally registered with the Nepalese government in 1994. Since then, Pujya Guruji and other acharyas of our mission have been visiting Nepal from time to time and conducting Jnana Yajnas, management seminars, and talks. With Pujya Guruji's blessings, we now have a center of our own, which Pujya Guruji named as Chinmaya Pashupati, since Lord Pashupati Nath is the guardian deity of Nepal. The center was inaugurated by Guruji on March 5, 2005. For 10 years, we conducted a fortnightly rural health project providing free medical services for the villagers of Kirtipur, located in the outskirts of Kathmandu. Due to financial constraints, volunteer shortage, and Maoist problems, we unfortunately had to discontinue the medical camp in 2008. At present, we have 3 Balvihar classes going on, 2 in Kathmandu and 1 in Lalitpur. Yuva Veer Shri Narayan Khanal is conducting the Balvihar classes. We also have 1 study group which has been going on since 1998. Till now, we have sent 8 candidates from Nepal for the Youth Empowerment Program. From the last batch, 3 of our Yuva Veers are working with our mission in India, and 1 has returned to Nepal. For the first time last July, we participated in the book fair that was held in Kathmandu and sold our books through Nepal's leading bookstores, Ratna Pustak Bhandar and Bhikuti Pustak. As all of you are aware, Nepal is going through a political turmoil since the past decade. It has become increasingly difficult for us to have regular yajnas and other Chinmaya mission activities by our acharyas. Many a times we have had to cancel our planned programs because of political uncertainties and strikes. Unfortunately, we had to cancel Swamini Vimlanandaji's yajna in June this year at the last minute because of the expiry of the Constituent Assembly's term, as we were expecting trouble and strikes. In preparation for Pujya Gurudev's birth centenary celebrations, we hope to continue to spread his teachings through more frequent yajnas, translation of some of Chinmaya publications in Nepali, and boosting the sale of books. We will be reprinting the 2nd edition of the Holy Gita in Nepali. We will also look into airing some Chinmaya mission discourses on a local TV channel. We now hope that Pujya Guruji's visit in May 2013 to Kathmandu will inspire and rekindle the interest of our Nepalese sadhakas. Hari Om and thank you.